A steel plant is not a child's play. Don't get overambitious. This statement still reverberates in his mind. Journey of a man to a man of steel. Mr. Jindal is a stalwart leader in the steel industry. He is the founder and managing director of JSW Steel, India's largest steel manufacturer, with an annual capacity of 18 million tons. Born to late Sri O.P. Jindal, a legend who could talk to machines with his vast experience, Mr. Sajjan Jindal has also inherited similar knowledge and fondness for machines. He pursued his bachelor's in mechanical engineering, but his true learning began with his arrival in Mumbai at Vasind and Tarapur steel plant. Soon began his voyage to achieve his dreams. He worked at Tarapur steel plant, located in the outskirts of Mumbai, and turned its fortune by stopping the never-ending losses with his Midas touch.
I'm very confident I'll build a plant which is better than Tata Steel and which will be far superior in technology. And he said, yeah, but where is the market? I said, no, I don't care about the market. If there is only 2 million ton market, then only JSW will sell. That time JVSL, Jisco will sell, and I don't care about anybody else. I was so confident that he saw this sparkle in my eye, and then finally he approved the project, and then I went ahead in building this project.
He introduced the advanced Corex technology in Indian steel industry. His nurtured dream transformed into reality with the establishment of Vijayanagar steel plant, where he implemented his knowledge and learnings by incorporating the world-class technology in the plant and placed itself at the peak. It was his futuristic vision that enabled modernization of the Indian steel industry. This great visionary received an accolade for the Best Integrated Steel Industry of 2012-13 of the year by the Prime Minister for being the torchbearer of transformation. Inclined towards fitness, Mr. Jindal believes in holistic growth. Success hits those who see difficulties as opportunities.
I have faced number of crises in my career. But every time I am hit with a crisis, the normal tendency is that people get depressed and people get demotivated, or they want to change their way of thinking. My whole team, my top team always tells me, who have been with me for 20 years and over, that that's the quality that our organization has, that we find opportunity in crisis, and that's what happened.
Despite the global meltdown in the steel industry, the idea of expansion was conceived by our ingenious steel man who built a CRM plant in a span of 27 months. He also ventured into cement and oxygen energy plants to enable optimum use of resources. JSW's IIS also engages the youth through sports. It offers high-quality training and international exposure to athletes. His passion for sports led him to become the proud owner of Bengaluru football team. The family man. A devoted son. A loving husband. A doting father. This man of steel has a heart of gold. Isn't he blessed with melodious voice? Mr. Jindal has revamped the face of India by not only transforming steel sector, but also uplifting the society with his remarkable activity of rebuilding Kedarnath, which was devastated in the floods of Uttarakhand. He focused on women and child welfare by empowering them with education, and nourishing children with midday meals. Sajjan Jindal's amiable personality has made nearly 450 dealers an inseparable part of his extended family with JSW Steel. His voyage has inspired many of us to dream big, and so have his achievements. परेशानियों से भागना आसान होता है। हर मुश्किल जिंदगी में एक इम्तिहान होता है। हारने वाले को कुछ नहीं मिलता जिंदगी में, और मुश्किलों से लड़ने वालों के कदमों में ही जहान होता है।